Alrighty guys, ignoring the background, so I apologize for that. I'm recording in high traffic zone. So, today I'm going to be unboxing the Yu-Gi-Oh! Premium Collection. This is all 4 of the star characters pack. Also by Konami, so you get the bonus battle pack. Epic Dawn. So as you can see there, so you get the 10 Premium Gold Collection in every box. Discover the legend of all 4 eras of Yu-Gi-Oh! The Premium Gold Collection features cards from the original Yu-Gi-Oh! Series, Yu-Gi-Oh! GX, Yu-Gi-Oh! 5Ds, and the latest series, Yu-Gi-Oh! Zexal. Choose your favorite character and power up your deck with the included booster packs and start dueling. Each Premium Collection includes 6 secret rare cards and 8 super rare in a minimum mini tin. So see here you get the 1 Premium Collection tin, 2 Photon Shockwave packs, 1 Epic Dawn, and 1 Order of Chaos. So that's pretty sick. I also, into that, I picked up the Zexal collection. So I get the 14 foil hollows in this mini tin. So I get all of these guys here. You can see those. Show them when I unbox them. And I also got a pack that I'm just going to throw in here. This is the Hidden Arsenal Special Edition. So I get to choose, or get a choice of XX Saber or the something Pineapple. But I get 3 packs, I believe, in this one. So that's going to be cool. So let's unbox this big boy first. Let's see what I get. Hopefully my phone doesn't die on me as I'm recording this. And I don't have a sharp utensil. Maybe I do. Har, I do. There we go. Put it down there. Put this back safely so we won't hurt ourselves. Alright, yeah, so anyways, from now on, I'll be using this mat as my little background, because it's a lot better than the other things I've been using, and it works. So, until you get a better mat, you have that. So, pretty nice box art. You get to see the front, just bam, look at those ads. Side, I like the characters there. Forgot his name. Yugi, Jaden, Yusei, and something. Yeah, so, further ado, top of the side. Side piece. There we have it. Empty box. Put that to the side. It's nice. And pull out the mini tin there. Set those in front. So pull these guys out. Sorry about that if I have a runny nose. So, empty box. Alrighty, sorry about that. If you were just wondering what I was doing. So, what I'm going to do is first is unbox unwrap the booster packs from these, and then I'll go to the tins and then Hidden Arsenal. So I also have sleeves in the back that I'll be sleeving my secrets or whatever good things I might find. So let's get on with it. Yeah, sure, why not? Epic Dawn. There's box right there. Dark Magician of Black Chaos. I think he's still banned. Alright, first one is Level Eater, Card Trooper, Autonomous Action Unit, and Scapegoat, and Windstorm Equota. Jesus, whatever they use there. Next one. Blackwing Zephyrus, the Elite. Looks pretty cool. It's nice. Ape Fighter. Inverse Universe. Snatch and Steal. And Yugioh, the Light-Sworn Hunter. Next we'll do Photon Shockwave. A lot of cards in this one. A Traffic Control. Look at all those golem soldiers. Poisonous Wind. Oh dear. Road Nut. Rodent. It's adorable. Evil Tile Ondonto. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Ooh. And it says Murmur of the Forest. That's cool. Gee, it's not focusing at all. There we go. So that's our rare. Fish Rain. Space Cyclone. Detach one XIZ material from a monster. That's cool. Damage Diet. And Limonize. Alrighty. Final pack of Photon Shockwave. And I see a ninja. Senior Silver Ninja. Mirror Male. When a face-up monster you control is targeted for an attack, its attack becomes equal to that of the attacking monster. So bright. Jeez, my phone. Naturia Marin. One short durable. Evil Miracle. Wind Up Knight. Ooh, he looks sick. Never seen that one before. Never seen him before. As a rare. Sound the Retreat. Return all monsters to your hand. Wind Up Warrior. Pretty cool. Another Fish Run. And Pine Cone. That's cool. So those are those, and we'll get to the tins. Alrighty, so unboxing the tin. Sorry it's a little choppy, so out of the tin. You get your beginner's guide. All that good stuff. Oh baby. Is that what I think it is? Oh man, I have not seen that thing in a while. But just in case, emptiness. That's fine, that's fine. Put the beginner's guide behind that. And we'll close that tin. Put it off to the side there. And unbox this bad boy. So this is from all 4 of them. So you get a lot. I think it was like, yeah, there we go. 23 special cards. So, Elemental Hero, The Shining, Secret Rare, I'll close him up for you. Looks like a boss. Proceed on that. Number 34 terabyte. Wow, that's nice. Gravity Warrior. Mask Hero Dan. That's sick. Maat. Photon Sanctuary. And then we're off to our, I think it's Ultras, right? Or Supers. Firewing Pegasus. Machina Cannon. Fiend's Mirror. Armored Bee. Is that what I think it is? Meteor Black Dragon. Oh my god, I have not seen that in so long. That was almost an orgasm. Oh my god. That is beautiful. I have never... Oh my god. So good to have that in my hands. So you get the Beastly Mirror Ritual. Photon Current. When a faced-up light dragon type monster you control is targeted for an attack, the attack target gains attack equal to the attacking monster until the end of the damage step. That's nice to have. And quick spam knight. Quick span. That's cool. Tuner. Looks awesome. If this card is sent to the graveyard for a single summon, target one face-up monster opponent controls, that target loses 500 attack points. That's nice. So, put those, I believe they're all, yep, over there. And then our Zexalton. Recap on the back there. Out of the 10. You're getting your beginner's guide. You probably see that there. Probably gonna put it back in, but take this up. This guy's beginner's manual to the back. And find the black piece. And that plastic piece back on. Just in case. Alright, put that right there, and pack that. So 14 cards, I believe. Whoa. So Ulti Gaga Magician. It's nice. Wow, it's currently hard to see. I think Ulti number 20. Gaia Brilliant. Insect type. Wow, that is amazing. Then another ulti, Gaga Bolt. Galaxy Knight. Unrelated to, what is it? Shining Knight or something like that. Gaga Shield for Gardena. Galaxy Expedition. So we're heading up to our secrets, or not secrets, yeah, so these are ultis. Wait, ultis, ultras, and then supers. There we go. There we go. So, Galaxy Expedition, Starlage, Paladamino. That's cool, it's like a Gundam. Focus. There we go. Yeah, it's like a Gundam. So then we get Galaxy Zero. Photon Satellite. Cha-Cha-Ka Archer. Message in a Bottle. like the stars here in the background. Dimension Wanderer, Do Warrior, and number 56 Gold Rat. That's interesting. So we have ultis, our ultras. Maybe get them in the picture. Move these in the back. And our supers are right over here. And then we'll get to this Order of Chaos because it is a really amazing pack. And hopefully we'll get an awesome pull from it. Variable Form. Photon Circle. Earth Armored Ninja. Sweet Corn. Evotile Casinero. That is our rare. Oh wow. Evotile Najashisho. Najasho, my bad. As our super. That's cool art there, if you can see that. Familiar Possessed Arc. I think Simply Unlucky was showing this off too. I mean, that is nice looking. And then we get Danny Pon. And Shocktopus. If it focus. There we go. Shocktopus. There's that. Alrighty, so we got our cards sleeved and stuff. Still happy about Meteor Dragon. Meteor Black Dragon. I've been wanting this card for so long. But anyways, onwards to the last pack. Hidden Arsenal. So we'll get it open here. Alright, let's check out the box right here. So you get 3 packs. The arsenal is now yours. They are monsters so ferocious they had to be hidden away for years. Dragons made of ice, dinosaurs of fire, giant robots for justice, alphabet worms for outer space, bird men riding on dragons, and the most skilled swordsmen who ever lived. The arsenal has been opened. Try to get your share. So those are 2 cards you can get out of this, and then 3 packs. So it's awesome. So let's get this thing open here. Maybe we'll keep the packaging. Well, I always like to keep the packaging. So let's see what we get. Toss that aside. And of course, I was pretty sure I was going to get it. Saber. Emerge Blade. So put that in there. Sad that's bent a little, but whatever. Still the 3 hidden packs. So you get Bionac and 2 others that I don't know. It's kind of sad that the cards are kind of like a little warped, but you know, what can you do? So the first card is Evolution Burst. Focus in on that. Pretty cool. For Cyber Dragons. Next card is X-Saber Axle. Berserker Crush. X-Saber Urger. Yours. If my phone would focus there, sorry about that. And we get Blizzard Warrior. Oh, nice. That will help with my deck. So put that to the side. Secrets right over here. And our other one's there. Alrighty, we'll open this pack up now. Number 2. So we opened the first pack. Could've gotten Bionac, but didn't. But I see another ice barrier, so that's a good start. The Yugioh of the ice barrier. Loving that card, that'd be useful. It's our secret. Put it over there. Wow. Come on. Gen X Turbine. All face-up Gen X monsters you control gain 400 attack points. Flame Baby. Flammable. So Flammable Baby. That's an adorable, cool little card. During your main phase, you can send this card from your hand to the graveyard to select one face-up fire monster you control and have it gain 400 attack points. It's not bad. Then we have Ally of Justice Searcher. And Worm Millith. Almost like an Earthbound. Huh. Alrighty. If we have something to press those, make it a little bit more nicer. And last pack, pack number 3. Come on, another ice barrier. Natura Cliff. That's our secret. That is, wow, look at that card. That's hilarious. Alrighty. Our Gen X Overseer. Do Dark of the Ice Barrier. That's good too. And we also have a Dragoonity, Legionnaire, and Drakgarba. It's like a flame dinosaur. That's pretty cool. So those are those cards. So just to recap, Meteor Black Dragon card I've been looking for my whole entire life. And let me get the sleeves for these. We got some 5D sleeves here for them. Because we ran out of the other sleeves. Note to self, stock up on sleeves. Alrighty, so the recap. Didn't do that bad of pulls, but you know. So Evolutionary Burst, the Yugioh the Ice Barrier, Natura Cliff, Elemental Hero the Shining, number 34 Terabyte, Gravity Warrior, Mass Hero Diane, and Ma'at, and Photon Sanctuary. For our ultis, don't know why that one's not sleeved. Gaga Magician. Really, if I can capture that, it's really amazing. Number 20, Gaia Brilliant. Gaia. And Gaga Bolt. So those are our 3 ultis. Our 3 rares. Still liking that Wind Up Knight. Might use that in my Wind Up deck. And I'll just flip through all the supers here. And we got a lot of them. A lot of them. So, not that bad. Pretty good pulls out of that. And our ultras. Forgot to show those. Got those 4. So all in all, good deal. You get all the original cards and stuff, and some new cards to go with it. So be sure to get it. Peace.